Bara is a popular snack and a street food item in Surinamese cuisine. Looks good, huh? Welcome back to Cooking with Feffie. For bara, you will need mung beans. Make sure to keep it overnight in water so the beans can open up. You'll need about 150 grams of mung beans. We're gonna add some water to the mung beans so you can blend it. Then we're gonna add about 6 garlic cloves. Blend it up. Add some more water. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed already, this is the chance. Add your blended mung beans into a bowl. Then you're gonna add 500 grams of spinach. I use chopped frozen spinach. You can also use fresh spinach. Then you're gonna add about 1.5 tablespoons of salt, a half a tablespoon of curry powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of cumin powder. Stir it up. When that's done, you're gonna add 1 kilogram of flour and 2 tablespoons of baking powder. You're gonna knead the dough. You want to knead it well because this is very important. And then you're gonna add half a cup of oil and keep kneading and set aside for at least 2 hours. When you're ready to fry, make sure your hand is wet. Use some water. Scoop up a ball of the dough. You're gonna flatten it, make it round, and make a hole in the middle. And gently add to your hot oil. Fry this until both sides are golden brown and remove onto a napkin. Bara is delicious with mango chutney, actually any chutney, and especially choka, potato choka or eggplant choka. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to share this recipe with your friends and family. Thank you, and I hope to see you at the next video.